Hello and welcome back to 100 coding challenges in C#. This is episode 21 and it's called range operators. In this challenge, we're going to ask the user to input a number between 1 and 20 exclusive, that means not including 1 or 20, and display a message confirming if they've typed a good number or not. The extension task for this challenge is to modify the program above to ask for a number between 1 and 20 inclusive. I would really recommend to try and do the extension task for this one as well, but have a play with both of them to see how they work and how they differ from each other. If you'd like to attempt this challenge yourself, then pause the video now and let's begin. So we want to start off by asking the user to enter a number between 1 and 20. So we'll say enter a number. And then we want to store that into a variable. We'll just say int number equals convert to int32, which will take our input from the user and convert it into an integer. So we have a console.read line inside the convert.toInt32. And then what we want to do is say if number is greater than 1 and so 2 ampersands number is less than 20, then this is a good number. Otherwise, this is bad. So we're familiar with this greater than operator in mathematics, and it can also be used in code in almost every language, or every main language uses this type of syntax. The reason we have to have an and in between is because we want to say that there are two conditions that need to be met here. So we want this condition to be met and also this condition to be met, and only then can we fall into this block of code. So let's give that a run. Oh, I haven't saved my file. Give that a run again. Enter a number between 1 and 20. Let's say 5. The number is good. Let's say we run it again and we say 25. The number is bad. So what I also want to just point on in here is that because this is exclusive, if we say either 1 or 20, so if I enter in 20, this will be bad. Same if I enter in the 1. This is also bad. Now, to go on to the extension task, which is to make this an inclusive condition, what we want to do is also add an equal sign after the greater than and less than operators. So what we've got here is number is greater or equal to 1, and also on the second condition, number is less than or equal to 20. So now if we run this, we can see that if we type in 1, 1 is still good. And likewise with 20 also, that is still good. And just to prove to you that something outside will not work, this is bad. And that's it for today's challenge. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any comments, please feel free to leave them down below. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to keep the notifications coming in when I release a new video. And I'll see you guys in the next one.